Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to put a BMW X7 in neutral. First, ensure your vehicle is on a level surface and the parking brake is engaged for safety. We'll cover both the regular method, using the gear selector, and the specific steps needed if your car's battery is depleted. Knowing these procedures is essential for towing or moving your X7 when the engine isn't running. For the standard method, begin by pressing the brake pedal down firmly. With your foot on the brake, gently push the gear selector lever to the N position. You should see the letter N illuminate on your instrument cluster, confirming that the vehicle is now in neutral. Remember to keep the parking brake engaged until you are ready to move the vehicle. This process is straightforward when the engine is running. If your BMW X7 has a dead battery, you'll need the emergency neutral procedure. First, locate the small release button, often hidden near the base of the gear selector. You might need a small tool, like a pen, to press it. While holding this button down, carefully move the gear selector into the N position. This bypasses the electronic lock, allowing you to shift into neutral even without power. Always prioritize safety when putting your BMW X7 in neutral. Ensure the parking brake is fully engaged before you exit the vehicle, especially if it's on any kind of incline. Leaving a vehicle in neutral without the parking brake can be very dangerous. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals we've found for you. Stay safe out there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.